Then we've got assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm. As it is commonly described, is the unlawful and intentional use of force through an act or an omission which causes grievous bodily harm against another person. Now, that grievous bodily harm. Let's say, for example, now you are the appa or the Maulana in the madrasa, and you now took your ruler, or say you've got a cane, but now you let go on Muhammad Arif in the masjid. You don't learn your sabak, you know what you're supposed to learn the surah, and you hit him. And there's blue marks. You will, and parents decide to open a case. Assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm. They look at the instrument used. Let's say you use your belt. Look at it, so rather wear lungi pants. You got no belt, you got no weapon. Okay? Belt or a stick or a thick ruler used, the marks are there. The parents lay a complaint. You're going to be charged with assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm. Right? Now, this offense is normally charged in the district court. Carries a maximum of 120,000 rand fine or 3 years direct imprisonment. But if Muhammad Arif is under the age of 18 and you are an adult, you will find yourself in the regional court, where you get a maximum of 15 years direct imprisonment and or a fine of 250,000 rand. On the mere fact that on that day you lost it with Muhammad Arif, you assaulted, you're thinking to yourself, no, I'm going to go to court, I'm going to get a fine, I'm going to plead guilty. 10 to 1, where the complainant is a child on this charge, you'll find yourself in the regional court, where the scope is given wider, and the main basis is that he was a child under 18.